we're here in a boat that was Francis Drake ship, and it looks very, very cool. We explore with this guy up here that I don't know his name, but he's cool. He been following me forever. So let's explore the ship.
I love reading.
Oh, I'm sorry guys, I didn't see. So now we're in the top of the ship. Not where all the captain and the driving part. It's in the other side. So this part is where you can't really see it. Where this part, I don't know, a large stick. And also there are two high things right there that pirates can see where they are going. Well, we got loads of parts to show you. So the helm is a little bit important to the pirates because somehow if they didn't got this huge helm, they could have not turned any ways. So
Are you gonna have a little sleep?
And this is still the top part, but this is where the bed of Francis Drake was, and this is a chest that you can still open. Cool.
The bones of Francis Drake are in there.
So we have a little bit of company here. So here is all the room of Francis Drake. It looks a little bit smaller than a normal room in London. This is the last part of the video because it's almost 5 o'clock, I don't know, but it will close very quickly. So if you ask these questions, where is the boat? It's in London Bridge, and how much size is the boat? I can't respond that because I don't know the answer. Maybe up to 6 meters, yeah. So now we are going to say bye.